Hey everyone, this is Marcio again. So today I have a INNVO a case for a drone, and this is a great product. Let me first show here. So this is a great product, I think, so far. I think they didn't do exactly for the 4 Pro. I think you can use the mini 4K, mini 3S, not 3S, or mini 3, mini and mini 4 Pro. So as you can see, they have some extra slots in the drone, but the drone is really tight there. Okay, not that's bad. Here I have the charger. You can have several batteries here, and my controller is not here because I want to show you this. So here, if you have another drone that you need this space, you can keep it, or you can take this out. There are 2 layers of phone there, and then your controller fits there. What I like about this is that you don't need to unscrew the sticks because they fit here. You can close your bag, your case, without unscrew that. That really for me sucks a little bit. Something I forgot to mention, I removed the 2 layers of phone, but they have 2 layers because you can use this space here to keep some propellers on extra stuff, and you can put the controller there, and you see you have an extra space. Your controller is still here, so you can use without this and keep the sticks there, or you can use this, keep your sticks where they came from, and have that extra space. If you have the larger controller with the screen, same stuff. Your larger controller will be sit here, and you have a larger space to keep propeller and other stuff inside your bag. Okay, and this idea of having an extra space if needed is amazing, right? So you can, so you can keep the controller, the transmitter, and have an extra space for propellers, cables, whatever you need. So a lot of space. You can put some cables here, right? Also, as you saw at the beginning of the video, you have an extra space here. That's great. I can keep the documents about my drone here, even a copy of my license that I normally keep on my drone case. So you have some space here for documents or paper. You have this phone here to protect your drone. You can put several batteries here. Have a charger here. It's waterproof. There's a rubber here. This gap here, sorry, match this slot, so you protect it against water, dirt, and anything in the environment. Sometimes I use a backpack for this drone when I'm going hiking, but sometimes I'm in the countryside doing a video, and I don't want to be worried about something hitting my bag and destroying my drone. Also, it comes with this sling here, and or strap, called the way you want, and you can take this, and the way it works, you fit on this slot here on the side, and you can carry with that this sling, that's how I call, and be able to carry other stuff with you. His stud is really thick, hard. It's not going to break easy, and I really trust this to carry my drone everywhere I go. So I'm using the Mini 4 Pro, but I think you can fit other drones here, like the Mini 3, the 4K, and etc. Okay, so that's it. INNVO case. They look great. You can buy without any concern. Have a great day. Bye.